There we go.
So we're gonna go outside. I want to show you the new build that we're gonna be working on. I just picked it up a couple of weeks ago. Let's go introduce it. This 2011 Audi A3 TDI. We're gonna be just doing some sick stuff with this. We just picked it up. It's actually my personal daily driver, but here at Salty, we just wanted to make it look sick. Mostly we're gonna be doing aesthetic build stuff. Like I'll eventually be swapping out the tires, doing a wrap on it, doing some cool stuff with the headlights. Ceramic coat.
Insert here.
Ceramic coat. Here, I'll show you the inside of it. You can see it's pretty sick. I'm kind of picky with my cars and I like to swap cars a lot, so it took me a while to get exactly what I wanted, but it's all leather interior, heated seats, got heated mirrors, turbo diesel. I don't know if you guys remember hashtag Dieselgate. Volkswagen and Audi, they went through this thing where they decided to cheat the systems. When they did that, they had to buy back all their cars. They sat for a while, and now we're kind of at the end of it, but you're able to buy these pretty cheap if you can find them, just because nobody wants them. Everyone's kind of worried about them. Still get super good gas mileage. The other day I got 47.5 miles per gallon, which is freaking killer. And yeah, way better than my Duramax. So we'll be cleaning stuff up. I've got a bunch of little tiny detail things that I want to fix, like on the interior, just like little things, you know. It's got the dual sunroof, which is sick. This is pretty much it. You got all my crap in here. Overall, it's a sick little build. We're gonna be doing a bunch of cool stuff at Salty Motorworks, and so just to covering this build, and we'll upload videos as we kind of go through that. So this is one of many. Got a lot of cool stuff coming, and yeah, talk to you then. We're gonna jump to some footage of me washing this for the first time. Peace. Peace.